Charlie, and this is CHOC Children's Hospital. I was here a few years ago myself, so I know all about the kinds of life-changing services CHOC has for kids just like me. CHOC opened in 1964 after visionaries like Walt Disney and Walter Knott realized that there was a growing need for a children's hospital in Orange County. And it hasn't stopped growing since. Between providing leading-edge clinical care, launching a mental health initiative, and opening a brand new autism center, CHOC has evolved into a world-class pediatric healthcare system with 2 hospitals and multiple primary and specialty care centers. So come on, let us show you just how special CHOC is to kids in Orange County and beyond.
Not all emergency departments are created equally. CHOC has the only 2 emergency departments in Orange County that are specially designed and staffed to meet the needs of children of all ages, and fast. CHOC is designated a Level 2 Pediatric Trauma Center and is the only trauma center in Orange County with the expertise to exclusively treat kids. When a child faces a critical illness or injury, quick transportation is vital. CHOC's transport team is one of the busiest in the nation. They transport children from all throughout Southern California to the hospital by ground or air. CHOC 1 is the only helicopter in Southern California based out of a hospital and is specially equipped to care for kids on board until they arrive at CHOC. The heart and soul of CHOC, the Charisse Marie Lallier Child Life Department, is a big part of what makes CHOC so special and different from a regular hospital. Our child life specialists work with clinicians and parents to ensure children feel less stress, understand their diagnosis and procedures, and still get to be kids, even when hospitalized. Arts and crafts, music, pet therapy, special visitors and entertainers, a library, cooking classes, and an outdoor play area are just some of what the Child Life Department offers. In addition, patients can broadcast like a radio DJ or interview celebrities at Seacrest Studios. They can also interact with their favorite sea creature at Turtle Talk with Crush, a contribution from the Disneyland Resort. Orange County's only dedicated pediatric oncology unit, the Hyundai Cancer Institute, performs the latest clinical trials and treatments for forms of childhood and adolescent cancers. Caring for more than 1,100 patients a year, the Cancer Institute has received a prestigious Phase 1 clinical trial designation. CHOC is the only hospital in the southwestern United States offering groundbreaking alternative treatments as a member of the Children's Oncology Group. Our private rooms are a place for our patients to retreat and heal. So they do not associate their rooms with pain, patients receive treatments in a special, separate space. They get assistance from our child life specialists, who use a variety of distraction techniques like stories or bubbles to help reduce fear and anxiety. And just because CHOC is a children's hospital doesn't mean we only treat kids. CHOC is one of the only children's hospitals with a dedicated program for adolescents and young adults with cancer. Patients in this groundbreaking program are seen by doctors and nurses who are experts in treating adolescents and young adults with pediatric cancers. For our smallest patients who may need advanced medical attention, our neonatal intensive care unit is the largest in Orange County, offering the highest level of care for newborns as well as support for their families. The newest part of our NICU features private rooms with the latest technology and innovations, and parents can stay overnight with their babies. This ensures families have the privacy they need to bond with their new babies, all while receiving access to the specialized care they need. Speaking of specialized, CHOC offers special units within the NICU to provide highly customized care for babies who are born between 24 and 28 weeks or weigh less than 1,000 grams. Babies who need complex surgery, and babies who have neurological and cardiac concerns. You won't find this level of specialized care anywhere else on the West Coast. And of course, our talented nurses and staff support and guide parents every step of the way. They make sure parents feel comfortable and confident caring for their newborns once they leave the NICU. CHOC is proud to have the first mental health inpatient facility in Orange County to treat children younger than 12. Made possible through our partnerships with amazing community organizations and groups, the Charisse Marie Lallier Mental Health Inpatient Center at CHOC is specially designed to treat the unique mental health needs of children, teens, and adolescents. Our pediatric mental health experts provide solutions, support, and hope to teens and their families in need when it comes to emotional and mental health. Our intensive outpatient program offers an open and supportive environment that promotes healthy behaviors, coping skills, social interactions, and help understanding their feelings and emotions. Our 5 nationally renowned institutes, Heart, Orthopedic, Research, Cancer, and Neuroscience, are our centers of excellence, most of which are recognized by U.S. News and World Report. The only facility in Orange County that performs open heart surgery on newborns and children, the Heart Institute focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of cardiac conditions with a highly specialized team and state-of-the-art technologies. Helping kids grow into healthy adults, the Orthopedic Institute treats all forms of orthopedic conditions, from broken bones and sprains to scoliosis, sports injuries, and developmental disorders. Through our Research Institute, CHOC Children's supports hundreds of clinical research studies, which allow us to offer the latest breakthrough treatments available. The Hyundai Cancer Institute provides innovative, specialized programs for ongoing diagnosis, management, and treatment of pediatric cancers, and offers comprehensive support programs for patients and families. Neurological conditions in children can be complex and require a collaboration of caregivers, including nurses, therapists, psychiatrists, and more. The board-certified neurologists and neurosurgeons within our Neuroscience Institute work together on every aspect of a child's care, from thorough diagnostics to the latest treatments and procedures available. CHOC's newly expanded Neuroscience Institute Outpatient Center is a centralized hub of care for patients with all kinds of neurological conditions. It includes neurology, neurosurgery, and neurodiagnostic services. And since opening in 2019, the Thompson Autism Center at CHOC brings the latest treatments and resources to the pediatric autism community in Orange County. With unique programs and experienced staff, the Autism Center offers children a centralized place where they can receive early diagnosis and advanced therapy to help them reach their true potential. When a child needs a surgery, that child's needs are very different than those of an adult patient needing the same or similar procedure. CHOC's Tidwell Procedure Center provides surgery and outpatient procedures for children and teens. Our nationally recognized surgeons perform the latest procedures using equipment that is customized to pediatric patients, all the way from newborns to young adults. At CHOC, we have specialized in pediatric surgery since we welcomed our first patients in 1964.
Well, that covered most of CHOC Hospital in Orange, California. But did you know that CHOC is even bigger than this hospital? As one of the leading pediatric healthcare systems in the nation, CHOC includes another inpatient center in Mission Viejo, California, and primary care clinics throughout the region, plus mobile health vans to serve our communities on the go. Over 2 million children across 4 counties count on CHOC to be there when they need it most. So that way, kids can get back to being kids. Long live childhood!